Happy morning to you all. Blue Stars Higher Secondary School welcomes you all to learn the vocabulary exercise, idioms and phrases. An idiom is an expression in English with a special meaning of its own. Idioms do not give the literal meaning of the individual words used in them. You come across the idiom by the skin of one's teeth in the lesson. It means a narrow escape. An idiom is a common word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. They are used to smooth over difficult areas in social interaction. The origin of idioms. How the idioms are originated. Most idioms come from ancient literature or even classic films. Many idioms originated as quotations from well-known writers such as Shakespeare. Learning the backgrounds of idioms can help you to remember them. Idioms. We are having lot of idioms in our language. The nice idiom, have a green thumb. It gives a nice meaning. Be good at gardening. Now we are going to learn about the success idioms. Dress for success. You need to dress in clothes or such a fashion that others believe you to be a success in life. Key to success. Just like an actual key opens a door, we can apply this idiom to the thing that is most important to being successful. Hit a home run. When a player hits a ball out of the reach of the other team, it's in the bag. When someone is very confident that they will be successful. Body idioms. Flesh and body. Relative. Turn a blind eye to ignore something that you know is wrong. To jump down someone's throat. To react angrily to something that someone says or does. A slip of the tongue. When you say something which you didn't mean to say. Head over heels. Deeply in love. Some of the food idioms. Souped up. Made more powerful or stylish. Sell like hot cakes. Bought by many people. Spill the beans. Reveal the truth. Take something with a pinch of salt. Don't consider something 100% accurate. Use your noodle. Use your brain. Some of the animal idioms. Ants in one's pants. Unable to sit still or remain calm out of nervousness or excitement. The birds and the bees. Sex education. Cat nap. A short sleep. Chicken out. To decide not to do something out of fear, usually just before. Copycat. A person who does the same thing as someone else. Idioms with time. From time to time. I read the newspaper from time to time. Kill time. I'm just killing the time until my mom arrives. Time out. I need a soda. Can we take a time out? Only a matter of time. We are going to have an exam. It's only a matter of time. 5 color idioms. Golden opportunity. When the time is favorable to seize an opportunity. Green signal or green light. when a permission is given to someone to proceed with something. Black and white, when a situation or a person is judged either as good or bad, this expression is used. Once in a blue moon, an event which is likely to occur extremely rarely or only once in a lifetime. Pink slip, when a termination notice is given to an employee, this term is most often used. Now, we are going to read some other idioms along with its meaning. A piece of cake means easy. That spelling test was so easy, I thought it was a piece of cake. Icing on the cake means a good thing added to another good thing. I was so happy that I scored 3 goals in the soccer game. But when I was also voted most valuable player, it was just icing on the cake. A wild goose chase means a chase that is pointless or useless. Jack wanted to buy the new Super Mario game, but it was sold out everywhere. He went on a wild goose chase to 5 different stores and come home empty-handed. Pulling my leg, to trick someone by saying something false. Did you really meet President Barack Obama, or are you just pulling my leg? Are you cheating me? Hit the books means to study hard. I have a big math test tomorrow, so I am going to hit the books and study really hard. Don't cry over spilled milk. Something bad happened, now move on. I'm sorry, you didn't make the soccer team, but don't cry over spilled milk. If you keep practicing and working hard, I'm sure you will make the team next year. Go to pieces means to lose control of your emotions. When Jimmy heard that he wasn't getting a new Wii game for his birthday, he started to go to pieces and began crying and wailing. Couch potato means a lazy person who wants too much TV. Freddie quit the soccer team. He has become a real couch potato and just stays home, plays video games and watches TV. Night owl means a person who stays up late. Isabel never goes to bed before midnight. She is a real night owl. Time on your hands, not enough to do. Since you have much time on your hands, you are not busy, why don't you learn to play the violin? Wrapped up, busy and involved with. Rosa loves riding horses and taking care of them. She is so wrapped up in the horses that she never comes to play at my house anymore. On the ball means quick to understand. Martha is really on the ball. She always does her homework, comes prepared to class, and pays close attention to the teacher. An arm and a leg means very expensive. I really wanted to get a new Xbox 360, but my parents said they cost an arm and a leg and we couldn't afford to buy one right now. One of the famous English idiom. It's raining cats and dogs. It is raining heavily. There is a heavy downpour. Some of the additional idioms and phrases. At the end of my tether, to have no power, patience and endurance left. A sentence. She was at the end of her tether when her child disturbed her. Give me a piece of one's mind means to tell someone frankly what one thinks, especially when one disapproves the other's behavior. The principal gave the student a piece of his mind. To be at loggerheads means to disagree strongly. The director and the manager are at loggerheads. To be on cloud nine, to be extremely happy. He was on cold nine when he got the first rank of the state. In two minds means dilemma regarding to do something or not. He was in two minds to select the job. A bolt from the blue, unexpected event, complete surprise, usually unwelcome. The news of the death of their father came as a bolt from the blue. A yellow streak, cowardice in one's character. The soldiers showed a yellow streak and escaped from the enemy's camp. In the pink of health, extremely health, in perfect condition. At 90, my grandfather is in the pink of health. A shadow of oneself, not having the strength, former influence, etc. that one is once had. Once he was a great cricket player, but now he is a shadow of himself. Honor bound, required to do something as a moral duty, but not by law. We are honor bound to help our neighbors. Go a long way means to continue to an extent. He has to go a long way to get a good job. Has taken a hard line means firm adherence to a policy. Gandhi took a hard line to get freedom for India. Put on airs, behave in an unnatural way to impress others. She puts on airs to move as a rich lady. A change of heart, change in one's attitude or feelings. The criminal had a change of heart after the advice of the missionary. Stands a chance means have a chance. He stands a chance to get school first in +2 exam. Some of the textual exercises. Use the idioms in your own sentences. Tight corners. We should be careful in life not to get into tight corner. Shot is bold. In the discussion, he shot his bowl and other had to accept his view. In a nice pickle. When the headmaster called me for making a noise in the class, I was in a nice pickle. Have cold feet. When I was chased by a dog, I had cold feet. Next, matching the idioms with its appropriate meaning. Alarm bells ringing. Help at the last moment. Alarm bells ringing. Sign of something going wrong. Back to the wall. In serious difficulty. Grasp or clutch at straws. Try any method to overcome a crisis. Saved by the cell. Help at the last moment, rescuing one from a difficult situation. Hang out to dry. Abandoning one who is in difficulty. We use a variety of idioms in our daily life to describe various situations. Describe the narrator's situation in your own words, making use of some of the new idioms you have just learned. The narrator and his companion entered the auction hall just to watch how the sale would be conducted. The mischievous narrator raised the bidding rate out of fun. When there was total silence, he heard the alarm bells ringing in his mind. As the rich man didn't raise the bidding rate, the narrator understood that he had shot his bowl. The narrator was in a nice pickle because he didn't have enough money to pay for the picture. The hammer fell thrice, and the narrator was caught in a tight corner. In the meantime, his friend left the place, unable to control his laughter. Indeed, he hanged out to dry. The narrator found himself being pushed back to the wall. He speculated on the possibility of borrowing and confessing his poverty to one of the staff. He was trying to clutch at straws. He had cold feet as the clock ticked by. Dame Luck smiled at him finally. A messenger approached him to offer 50 guineas more to hand over the picture. Immense relief swept over him because he was saved by the cell. This paragraph is from 4th unit prose. The lesson tight corner. Idioms related to sports. Throw in the towel, state of near collapse or defeat. In our corner, on your side in an argument or dispute. On the ropes, to give up. Below the belt, unfair and unsporting behavior. Square off, prepare for a conflict. Write up one's alley, one's life. Drive one up the hill, feel irritated. Hit the road, start a journey. Take for a ride, take someone, something for granted. In panic mode, afraid of. The old man got irritated at the loud noise outside. The loud noise got the old man drive up the wall. We were driving when it started raining heavily. After stopping for an hour, we began the journey again. We were driving when it started raining heavily. After stopping for an hour, we hit the road again. Ramesh gave false excuses for not attending the meeting and deceived me. Ramesh gave the false excuses for not attending the meeting. He took us for a ride. At the interview, when questions were fired at me rapidly, I forgot everything and grew irritated. At the interview, when questions were fired at me rapidly, I forgot everything and I was in panic mode. I love thrillers and this book appeals to me strongly. I love thrillers and I find this book right up my alley. A big way on a large scale. A bird's eye view, a view from higher position. A brainchild, one's original idea. A chance in a million, very slim chance. A change of heart, a change of opinion or idea. A cock and a bull story, a widely improbable story. A cuckoo in the nest, an unwelcome intruder. A drop in the ocean, very small, unimportant. $1,000,000 question, a question with a valuable answer. A penny for thought, thinking something about. A shadow of oneself, someone or something that is not strong. A volley of blows, a string of blows. Find one's voice, become more confident in first meeting. Fish out of water, a person who doesn't fit in. Follow something up, pursue. Fool's errand, a fruitless undertaking. Full of beans, lively in high spirits. Get cold feet, get nervous. Get into hot water, be in serious trouble. Give a peace of mind, to express one's opinion strongly or to scold. Go a long way to achieve success, to be very helpful or to last for a long time. Grasp or clutch at straws. Try any method to overcome a crisis. Hang out to dry, abandoning one who is in difficulty. Thank you.